In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp status music option not showing. So the first thing, guys, as an example, if you go to WhatsApp, you click on your status, you click on a picture there. Here on the left, normally you should see a music button that says then you can add music to your WhatsApp status, but it's not showing. How to fix it? Step number one method is if you just go to the App Store and if you type for WhatsApp Messenger, you update it. So if you update WhatsApp Messenger, then there's an option that then you can see that you can then add music to WhatsApp status. If that is not working, so I also updated my WhatsApp, is not working, then the second option is just go to Google Chrome. On Google, type in WhatsApp support, contact WhatsApp. Then we're gonna click on this one, WhatsApp support. Here you provide your own phone number. Here you provide your email address. And then which phone do you use? We use an iPhone. And then, guys, I already made a message, but this is what we're going to text them. We're gonna send WhatsApp, dear WhatsApp, in my WhatsApp status, the music option is not showing. Could you please enable it? I'm very interested. Then we're going to click on next step. And then we're gonna, they show here some articles, but we're gonna here click on send question and your question has to be sent. So right now I showed you two methods. In your WhatsApp status right now, the music option should be showing. If you like this video, please leave a like. Comment down below if this worked. And if you'd like to have more videos like this, just subscribe to our channel.